Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. She dashes to school every morning. A goes, B goes, C going. Option C is the correct answer. They watching a movie now. A is B, or C was. Option B is the correct answer. He did his homework yesterday. A did B, does C do. Option A is the correct answer. We never been to London. A has B, had C have. Option C is the correct answer. The teacher very kind. A or B is C, M. Option B is the correct answer. I met my best friend at the park. Option A is the correct answer. She's singing a beautiful song. A was B, where C is. Option C is the correct answer. They were at the library yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. He breakfast every morning. A eats B, eating C, eat. Option A is the correct answer. We going to the zoo tomorrow. A is B, or C was. Option C is the correct answer. She already finished her project. A had B, has C have. Option B is the correct answer. They playing football yesterday evening. A did B, where C are. Option A is the correct answer. I tired today. A and B is CR. Option C is the correct answer. The children making noise in class. A was B, where C is. Option B is the correct answer. He sold his car last year. Option A is the correct answer. We planning a trip now. A was B, where C are. Option C is the correct answer. She very happy yesterday. A is B, was C are. Option B is the correct answer. They already left for the airport. A has B, had C, have. Option A is the correct answer. He English every day. A studies, B studied, C study. Option C is the correct answer. The baby crying loudly. A or B was, C is. Option B is the correct answer. She playing piano beautifully. A played, B plays, C play. Option A is the correct answer. They are at the park right now. A was, B or C is. Option C is the correct answer. By reading a book last night. A, M, B was, C, were. Option B is the correct answer. He went to the market yesterday. A, go, B, goes, C, went. Option A is the correct answer. We waiting for the bus. A, or B is, C, was. Option C is the correct answer. She always punctual. A was, B is, C were. Option B is the correct answer. They not like cold weather. A does, B do, C did. Option A is the correct answer. He's studying at the moment. A is, B or C was. Option C is the correct answer. I never late for school. A, M, B is, C, are. Option B is the correct answer. We lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. A ate, B eating, C eat. Option A is the correct answer. She writing a letter now. A is, B was, C are. Option C is the correct answer. They went to the cinema last night. A have, B had, C has. Option B is the correct answer. He always works hard. A does, B did, C do. Option A is the correct answer. The sun in the east. A rise, B rises. C. Rising. Option C is the correct answer. I did my homework yesterday evening. Option B is the correct answer. She cooking dinner right now. A was B is C, R. Option A is the correct answer. They have a big house in the city. Option C is the correct answer. He not feeling well yesterday. A was B is C, R. Option B is the correct answer. The students studying quietly. A is B was C, T, R. Option A is the correct answer. We visited the museum last Sunday. A have B did C has. Option C is the correct answer. She playing guitar yesterday evening. A was B is C were. Option B is the correct answer. They're going to join us soon. A are B is C was. Option A is the correct answer. He finished his work already. A has B had C have. Option C is the correct answer. The children very excited. A, M, B is C, R. Option B is the correct answer. I my shoes yesterday. A polished, B polish, C polishes. Option A is the correct answer. She reading a novel now. A are B is C was. Option C is the correct answer. They gone to the park already. A has B, had C have. Option B is the correct answer. He running fast in the race. A is B was C, R. Option A is the correct answer. We playing games last night. A were B or C was. Option C is the correct answer. She very intelligent. A is B was C, R. Option B is the correct answer. Share it with your friends. Haha. and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.